Say y'all. Appreciate y'all coming to the live, y'all. Check it out, y'all. Look at that taco. This taco, y'all. Cheesy. Playing no games, y'all. I told y'all, man, we ain't playing no games, y'all. Cooking a little more with Dallas, Texas with a little stank on it. Please subscribe, y'all. No cap. Bow. You gonna have to give me some, y'all. First one. It is. Mm-mm-mm. 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 Mm. So good. So good. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Have a blessed Sunday, everybody. Please subscribe, y'all. Drop them videos and be yourself. It's going down, y'all. Ain't look like some homemade breakfast. Ain't look like some homemade breakfast, y'all. Oh yeah, it's eating good, y'all. Appreciate y'all coming to the live. Yeah, we doing good, y'all. That was delicious, man. Oh man, I can eat about 4 or 5 of them bad boys. You hear me? Oh man, let's clean up this mess, y'all. Please subscribe, everybody. Man, them tacos off the chain, y'all. Ain't no like some homemade tacos, really. Cooking with love, man. God dang. So clean up, everybody. What's up, everybody? You already know, y'all. Pop out. Man, I'm talking about the train, y'all. Damn. Yeah, man. Appreciate everybody. You already know. Appreciate everybody come to the live, y'all. No cap, man. Please be yourself, be your channel. That's what it's all about, y'all. Pop out and do your damn thing, y'all. Cooking with love, y'all. I try to tell y'all. That baby hit 60K, y'all. No cap. 60K, y'all. Man, I try to tell y'all, man. I told y'all, man. I am YouTube. I told y'all that, man. So every time I pop out, I'm like a damn fool, cause shit. I am internet. You hear me? I am. I'm gonna give it to you. No cap. I'm gonna stay irrelevant, y'all. Appreciate everybody rocking with the channel, y'all. No cap. Appreciate y'all. No cap. You hear me, y'all? So all my bros, y'all. Appreciate y'all. We hit 60K on the Cooking with Love channel, y'all. You hear me? 60K, y'all. You hear me? We might finna hit 60 and 1K, y'all. You hear me? Matter of fact, watch this shit, y'all. I'm gonna show y'all, cause I know y'all be thinking I be bumping my shit. Watch this. I'm gonna show y'all. You hear me? I like to show y'all. You know what I'm saying? I like to put in the fights. You know what I'm talking about? I'll show y'all some. So here we go, y'all. Let's see. Update. What that say? 60 and what? Playing no games. I told y'all, Cooking with Love trying to just hit what? 60K. I told y'all.